My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the malicious and scary alerts that come from the website Systemopc.xyz. Systemopc.xyz is a deceptive and dangerous website attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This website tries to actually make you think that your computer is horribly infected by some malware. The pop-up says that you visited illegal infected website. Your PC is at risk of being infected by viruses. All these pop-ups are absolutely fake and deceptive. They use the name and the logo of some decent, well-known security programs. But when you click on this scan button, you may be brought to some other shady and pretty deceptive websites. Also, you may be switched into the full screen mode, so simply press the escape button on your keyboard. Anyway, these pop-ups by Systemopc.xyz are not decent, they are fake, and they promote potentially unwanted or even malicious software. So the only correct conclusion is to leave this page and disregard its content. I also recommend that you additionally research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.